Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you for joining me in Springwatch 14 video projects coming out to you back to back for 2 solid weeks. We're on number 4. And number 4 is edible. It's edible. To be fair, I have only got 3 in there. I may possibly have tested them first, but I'm using the new From My Heart sweet. So this is a brilliant sweet. I love it. You've got all these samples on this side. And then here's what you get. So I'm going to be using the paper, I'm going to be using the bundle, I'm going to be using them, and them, and them, and them. I'm just going to be using everything. But I particularly wanted to mention the heart foil tins because you can bake in them. Obviously not with the plastic, but you can bake in this. They are safe for the oven. Now I have possibly given Mum, 20 of them and said, can you bake something for me? But I did give them to her before Christmas. She might have forgotten. Maybe I should do some baking. Baking and I is just, I do it with children so that I can blame them for my real mess ups. That sounded awful. It's true though. Anyway, so you get enough plastic lids for the base. So it's brilliant. You could bake the cake in that. Pop the lid on and give it to somebody. I filled mine with chocolates. I don't have any more than that. So I want to show you how it all coordinates together. So these are the doilies and there are loads of them. They sit in there absolutely perfect. It's like somebody designed them like that. Somebody clearly did, of course. The punch and stamp bundle. So it's a punch, punch. 2 punches in the bundle. That one is slightly smaller than this one with the scalloped edges. And obviously there are stamps that go with it that match that. There's also paper. So this paper, you can go for it with the scallops because that's going to fit round lovely. That's going to fit round lovely. That was awful grammar. Fit round nicely, but it will also fit round with the straight-edged punch, which is what I'm going to do. But there is another one that will go around. Sorrel agrees. She's out there. She's just woken up. Look at that. Perfect. No stamping needed. This one also snip, snip, chop, chop. You can cut it out. And this one's designed to go with the scallop, but it's also a tiny little bit wider so that you don't have to worry about whether it's messed up or anything like that. Just brilliant. So I'm going to put those 2 together with some snail. This particular paper here has been set up in such a way that you can cut strips of it and not have it edge into the other one. This one as well, although you can see I did go a bit wibbly wibbly, but yeah, it's been set in such a way. Brilliant. Clever designers at Stampin' Up, Right, let me get a bit of snail on the back of this. Just fit that in there. And then this is the ribbon. This is real red and it's double stitched. So it's been double stitched on each side and I love that. So I'm going to take a whimsy bit there. Smother that in snail as well. Stick it down. Dimensionals for this one. That's going to fit over the top. And you could leave it like that, but obviously I wanted to do a little bit more stamping. So I'm going to go with the same one I had before. Being friends is better than eating candy. But let's do that too. Oh, chocolates. And I want real red, which is right in front of me. I've got some scraps of Whisper White. Use my new little mini trimmer. Pootles. Free when you join. You know you want to. And then to finish, how easy is that? We've got these faceted gems, and you've got reds, pinks, white, champagne-y colours, and I'm going to do it like this. So I want my mini glue dots, and I'm going to turn it into a little bit of a ball shape. So I've got that on the end. I'm going to pick up a red one like that, so the ball shape means that the glue fits behind it with no problem. I'm going to pop it on there. Brilliant. Another couple of these. I might put the lid on that before I bounce it across the room. That onto there. Fill it with treats, pop the lid on, and the lid has got dimples so that it won't fall off. It does catch in place. I think that is so lovely. I really, really like it. I really like that, and I'm not really a big hearts user, but I love the duo of punches that they nest. Love nesting punches. When I joined, we were all about nesting punches. We have lots of dies now, which is great. Nothing wrong with that. I love that we've got nesting punches again. Thank you, Stampin' Up. Can we have some more, please? She says right as the catalogue goes live. Isn't that a quick project? Look, I'm cleaning up while I'm jabbering away to you. That's how quick it is. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.